Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Player. We were discussing about linked list operations. Today we have a new problem to solve. The problem is how we can swap the node without swapping the data inside the node. Means all values in linked list are distinct. Suppose all the values are different. As I'm taking integers, so two integer value will not be the same. In this case, how we can swap the node without swapping the data? Suppose we have an input as a linked list with some nodes, and there is a first value 12 and second value 20 which exist in given node, given linked list. So we have to swap these two nodes without swapping the data. So we can swap this and output would be look like this. So this problem seems a little bit simple, but this is an interesting problem because it has 4 cases to handle. First case will be the first value and second value may not be the adjacent, means may not be the side by side. And second case would be either first or second value may be the head node. So how we can swap with the head node with the another node. And the third case would be either first or second node, maybe the last node. And the last case would be maybe first or second, or maybe both values may not be exist in the given linked list. So you have to handle these cases and you have to solve the problem. So let's check about the algorithm. I have written algorithm basic in syntax also. This is the first step. First you have to search the first and second value in a given linked list, that both values or exist in our linked list or not. If any of the value does not exist in our linked list, then we don't have to swap the nodes. And then second step would be, if any of them not exist, then return simply, means we didn't find the second or first or both values, so we don't have to swap. Third step would be, while searching the nodes, like I have to find the first value in the linked list and I have to find the second value in linked list. So I have to search the linked list each and every node with the comparing with the value, given value. Then while searching the nodes, keep record of the first and second node and their previous node. Means if we find the value in a given linked list, then keep record of that node and their previous nodes, so that it will be simple to swap. Now fourth step would be, change the first node previous value of first node previous dot next to the second node, and change the second node previous dot next to the first node. How we can do that? If you didn't get any clues here, then we have written code also. Let's check about the code. You can understand here. So I did created a class swap node without swapping data, and static class node by which we will create a new node. And this is the method previous items, in which I already inserted some node in a linked list with value 10, 16, 21, 34, 27 and 9, and connected with the next link. And this is the method print linked list. It will print linked list items, each and every item. We did these method to have some value in the linked list and print these values, so that you can analyze the output before performing the operation and after the performing the operation. So here is our main method. Till now I commented this line because I already written the method. If you run this code as of now, then it will print the initial nodes are 10, 16, 21, 34, 27 and 9, which was mentioned here in a previous item method. Now take a look at the swap node method. This method will swap the nodes. So we take input first value and second value. So in this implementation, first case would be maybe first value and second value are equal, means they are pointing to the same node. Then we don't have to swap, we just simply return it. Otherwise we will search for the first value in a linked list. So we have to keep record of the previous first and the current first, means the current node of the first value. So first current first would be the head node, means we are providing head and we will be searching using this current first. So I have to search, I have to go through each and every node of the linked list. So take a while loop and search current first not equal to null and current first dot data not equal to first value. Means if the current first node is not null and current first data is not equal to the given first value, then we will maintain previous first to the current first, and we will increment the current first to the current first dot next. So by which we can find the node first given node with the first value, or we did not find, means node does not exist. Same fashion we do to find the second value. So we have to keep track record of the previous second and current second. In the current second, first we put a head, then again take a while loop and check current second not equal to null and current second dot data not equal to the given second value. Then we will update the previous second equal to current second and increment the current second to the current second dot next. Now both while loop is done. So in the current first and second first there would be some value if node is exist, otherwise it would be null. So first we check that either first value or second value not present or both not present. So for that we did current first equal to null or current second equal to null, means any of them or both of them not exist in a linked list. So simply return it, we don't have to swap anything. Now if previous first not equal to null, means now we if does not true, means we find the node, both node in a given linked list, then we have to swap. Then again we have to check another case that the first node, that the first value node, given first value node is head or not. If first previous first is not equal to null, means the given first value is not head, because in linked list head dot previous node of the head will always be null, because head is a starting point. So there is no previous in case of head. So if previous first not equal to null, means first value is not a head node, then we will update previous dot next to the current second, means we are putting the second value node in previous or first dot next, and if previous first is equal to null, means the first value was a head node, then we will update head to the second value node, means current second. Same fashion we do check for the second value node. If previous second not equal to nulls, means previous second means second value is not a head node, then previous second dot next equal to current first, means we are putting now first value in the previous second dot next node. Now if previous second equal to null, means the second value was head node, then we will update head as a head equal to current first. Now we updated the head as the first node value, first value node. Now if these conditions are done, then we have to just simply swap the nodes. Now I created a temporary node for swapping purpose. So in temporary node I will put current first, means given first value node dot next, and in given first value dot next, means current first dot next, I will update that current second dot next. So I'm updating the current second, means given second value node dot next value, I'm putting this value in current first dot next. Now in current second dot next, what about the second value node dot next, I'm putting the temp node, as temp node has the current first dot next. So if you do all this process, it will handle all the cases as mentioned in the algorithm, and it will update and it will run and it will swap the node successfully. Let's uncomment this line. This line is calling the method and providing a first value and second value as input, and uncomment this line. This will print the linked list values, linked list node values after performing the swap operation. So if you simply run it, look at the linked list output 10, 16, 21, 34, 27, 9, and after swapping node 10, 16, 21, 34, 27 and 9, both are the same. What's happened? Because both are same, because I did provided the swap node method input first value is 27, second value is 987, but 987 value does not exist in our linked list. So that case was running in which it was mentioned in a code that if any of the node does not exist in a linked list, then you don't have to swap anything. So suppose now I am swapping 27 is exist, like 16 is also exist. Now I am swapping 27 with 16 and save it, then run it, and yes, now it's updated. Look at the previous list, and now the updated list, 27 is here at the place of 16 and 16 is here at the place of 27. So the node is swapped successfully. You can perform any swapping operation from here. Means you don't have to put the value 16 first, then 27 second value. You can do second or first any value in any node value. So that's it for today's tutorial, guys. If you have any better solution, better logic, please post in the comments. We will release a second version of the tutorial with that solution by your name also. And thanks for watching this tutorial, and please subscribe our channel. We will update more tutorial, more interview questions very soon. That's all for this solution. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.